In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use project cost estimates in QuickBooks Online Advanced. Project cost estimates help you plan a job's costs, add markup, and see exactly what you'll bill your customer, all in one place. Let's walk through the workflow from inside your QuickBooks company so you can build a clean, accurate estimate tied to a specific project. Start on your main QuickBooks screen and hover over the Create menu to reveal your options. From there, select Project. This takes you into the projects area where all your active and pending projects live. Choose the project you're working on so the estimate you create will be linked to the right job. If you use clear names and statuses for your projects, this step stays quick and organized. Once you're on the project's details page, look for the Add to Project button and click the drop-down arrow. This menu groups the most common actions for the specific project you're viewing. Select Project Estimate. You're now in a special estimate layout designed for cost tracking and markups. Begin by adding a product or service. Pick the item that best matches what you're estimating: labor, materials, subcontractors, or a specific service. Using items with accurate defaults can save time, but you can always adjust the details line by line. Next, enter your rate. This is your internal cost rate, not what the customer will see. If you track quantity, hours, or units, make sure those are accurate so your math stays solid. Your total reflects the extended cost for that line. QuickBooks typically calculates this from the rate and quantity, but review it and enter the correct total if needed to reflect the true cost. Now, add your markup. You can enter a percentage or amount that represents your overhead and desired profit above cost. A consistent markup policy helps keep margins steady across projects. With markup in place, fill in the customer rate. This is the price per unit your customer will be charged after markup. Finally, confirm the customer total, the full billable amount for that line, so it aligns with the scope and expectations you've discussed. Take a moment to scan each line for accuracy: the item, your cost rate, the totals, and the markup-driven customer amounts. When everything looks right, click Save. That locks in the estimate under the project, so it contributes to your project profitability view and keeps your costs and billable amounts aligned. You can reopen and refine this estimate later as scope or pricing changes, ensuring your job stays on budget and on target.